guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. So today we have something a little bit different. You might or might not know this, but I love slime. My friends call me the slime queen. And so we are testing out this Frozen 2 kit that makes apparently this cloud slime, as you can see. Comes with some glue, activator, a bowl, measuring cup, spoon, and stuff like that. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and get it open and test out this product. Let's take the tape off from here. So as I can see, everything is nicely packed. So this is the empty box. As you can see, it's empty. And everything here just comes in one bag. So let's go ahead and get it opened. Very easy to open, which is very convenient. Okay, looks like we got this measuring cup, slime solution, which is like activator. Let's put everything on top of the box. We got a bowl to make our slime in, and glitter that has an opening. So, okay, and then we have these snowflake confetti glitters. Is this glitter? No, this is sand. I think this is what we're going to use to make the cloud slime. This is our spoon. Instructions. And some clear glue. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and read the instructions. Slime tips. For thicker slime, add half a spoon of slime solution and stir slowly until slime thickens. Slime is too wet, add more glue and mix well. Okay, so that's basically for when the slime's done. Instructions. Add 2 by 15 milliliters of clear glue to the mixing dish. Okay, I'm gonna get it opened. Okay, we got it open. Whoa. It's not opening actually. One sec. Okay guys, so we just got it opened. And okay, so 2 by 15. I think I found, okay. I found 15 milliliters. I think it just means to add 2 cups of this. So, whoop. 1. Oh shoot, the spoon's in here. 1. They give you so much glue, but they don't say to use a lot of it. I'm just cleaning it up just in case so it doesn't get everywhere. Okay. So clean it up. Okay. Cleaned it up. Now let's add another 15. Okay, let me find 15 again. Here's 15. Perfect, right to the spot. And we'll put the measuring cup aside. Try to get everything you can. So far, I would say it's working pretty well. It's actually a big slime, more than I expected. Add 2 spoons of slime solution to the mixing dish. So this is the slime solution, it has on it. And this, I should probably close. It has Elsa and Olaf on it. Wrong container. Oh wait, it's right here. Let's open up the slime solution and go ahead and add 2 spoons of our slime solution just to the 1, 2. Do you mix? Okay, stir slowly along the slime solution, allowing the slime solution to mix with the glue. Mix for about 3 to 4 minutes. It's already starting to thicken up into slime. See, it's like starting to thicken up into this clear slime mixture. How long long? 3 to 4 minutes? I'll see you guys in 3 to 4 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm still mixing. It's still kind of sticky, so I'm just gonna go ahead and keep mixing because it was only 2 minutes. Oh yeah, this is really turning into some good slime, as you can see. Some pretty nice slime. Ooh, it's like, it really looks like a frozen icy slime right now. But we're going to be adding purple and glitter and stuff, so looks really good. It's kind of sticky, so okay. When the slime starts to stick in, pick it up and squish together with your hands for a minute. Okay. For best results, let it sit in the dish for 30 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and pick it up and squish it with one hand because just in case, I'm gonna keep my other hand open. It feels nice. I think I'm gonna add more activator because it's really sticky. So it's not really good. But it feels really soft. Now I have to get the activator opened. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add in the measuring cup that much. Okay. Gonna add a little bit at a time. Because sometimes I know in kits, like I know in Nickelodeon kits, a little activator really does go a long way. So that's why, yeah, I'm not even adding too much and it's already starting to getting less sticky. So that's really good. I think I can start using 2 hands now. Okay, so you have to squish for a minute. Let's time a minute and go. It's starting to become kind of like this fluffy substance. I'm just gonna read the rest of the. We only have to do 2 more steps. The last 2 steps after this are add 2 spoons of sand to your slime. Option to add glitter at the stage. And number 6 is slowly mix with your fingers. Enjoy your slime. Okay, it's almost been 1 minute. A few more seconds, 24 seconds. There's already like a little bit of glitter in it. We're gonna put it back in the bowl to get the rest of what's in the bowl. Okay, 1 minute has been up. Now we're gonna add 2 spoons of sand. It's kind of a tiny slime, but we can always make more of this, you know? Okay, so we're gonna add 2 spoons, so that means we have to get the spoon out. And it looks like this. Clean that. Okay, let's open it very gently, kids. Make sure to open everything very gently. One. Two. I think I'm gonna mix first, then I'm gonna go ahead and add some glitter. Should have left it a little bit sticky. Oh, it's sticking. The sand is kind of acting as in dye for the slime. Ugh, I can't talk today. it's acting as a dye as well because before it had no color because it was made with clear glue and no dye. So this is acting as the dye for it. I really want to add more sand to make it kind of like a cloud slime, like it said in the, like it showed on the box. It showed like a cloud slime. If you remember, go ahead and rewind to the beginning at the end of this video and see that it looks like cloud slime, doesn't it? Because this, oh, it actually really looks like cloud slime. But not as much as in the commercial. Not commercial, whatever it's called. It's also looks like a glitter. It's really stretchy. I think because I have this container that's this big, even bigger than the screen, I'm going to go ahead and make another batch of this slime so I can fill the container. And maybe one will be with like glitter as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. So in conclusion, I think this turned out really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and recommend for you to go to your local 99-cent store and buy this. It was really good. It was a big hit, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.